got these from AJT Design off of Etsy. Got a couple of cards right here. They're even nice enough to send a sticker for us. I got these knobs for the 07 second gen Tacoma. They're to replace the stock style air conditioning console knobs and the four-wheel drive activation knob. One thing about these is they're black, and there's supposed to be some silver screws here. I thought they came already installed, but I actually have to install them myself here. So we'll get to work on that. So all these knobs, they have threaded holes here. These little screws go into each one of those holes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes in each knob, and they also give you a nice Allen key to help you get started, just in case you don't have them. So I'm going to do one, and then we'll fast forward through. They go in nice and easy. Oh, that one fell out. Alright, we'll tighten all those up real quick. Seat them in place. Alright, they're all nice and tight. Now look at that. Doesn't that look good? Black with silver. Alright, I'm going to fly through these. That's what they look like all put together. Look at that nice two-tone action going on. They're even nice enough to give us 2 extra screws just in case you drop a couple and lose another one in your truck. Right, so these factory knobs, I'm going to turn them all the same direction. And all they have to do is just pop them right off. And on the bottom of them, they have a little key that matches right there. They also have a little bit of grease there, so I'm going to take some of that. I'm going to put them on the ends of the ones that I bought. Match up the slot inside to the slot here. Okay, so I had to remove these knobs because they weren't fitting exactly how I wanted them to fit. Come to find out, you have to take the old retention brackets out of the old knobs. You have to pull them out with a screwdriver, then you have to insert them into the new knobs for them to fit properly. So once I did that, everything fit like it was stock. And I'm actually pretty happy with how everything turned out. So there's the finished product. I think they look awesome. They kind of make it look like it's a 4th gen edition, even though this is a 2nd gen. Look at these things. Full functionality. You can feel every single click and every single one of them. Even the 4x4 one. All in all, I think this was a great update. Alright, so that install went pretty seamlessly. It was rather easy, only took about 5 minutes maybe. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Thanks.